Welcome. Today is the master bedroom. We get it nearly done, and I would like for those of you who would like to put in the comment section your ideas for finishing the bedroom once you see the end result. What kind of wall decorations should I put up? What kind of knickknacks? You'll notice that I've done the bedroom in blue, white, gray, and that's it pretty much. And it's done sort of on a vintage, modern mix-up. I love the way it turned out. Maybe you can let me know how you feel about that and give me some ideas and some hints for the very polishing up of it. And with no further ado, let's see what happened. Remember how we started? Then we added the floors and painted the walls. And this is all finished, so I can fill the hole in and the wall eventually. Although we're gonna put soundproofing in this wall. Why? Maybe because the guest room's over here. You may want to hire an electrician for this part. We wired and added a fan. And the AC for the master goes in there. Our good friend Matt Morris helped us with a new air conditioning system, and he helped install it. We removed all the walls in the end, and we added sound insulation and new windows. Fixed and painted the bed that was in the room to begin with. I think it turned out really good. We decided to add new paneling throughout the room. Here's Jay finishing up the paneling because we just took it all the way around the room. It looked so much nicer, even though we'd already painted the previous wall. Beautiful, right? Here's the original dresser. My granddaughter Malia painted the drawers for me. I painted the rest of it that vibrant blue. Then I used milk paint over it. There's the dresser that I got done. And you can see it's on white and blue. I painted the blue so you can see the colors really good. That's kind of how the colors look. And I love it. I think it's so pretty. So pretty. There were a lot of knobs. And another coat of blue paint. I don't know if you see what I see, but it's going to need one more. The tall attachments didn't look good at the foot of the bed, so I added some round wood balls. It's not going to be a lot of blue showing through. I'd like it more white than blue. I should have made a pattern and then cut out the paper on a table where I had more control. As it was, I had to redo that little left square. Then I finished patching up the hole in the ceiling. I added texture so it would match in. Patched up all the cracks and spots throughout the room. Then I painted the trim. Looks a lot better. A little more paint, and you can't tell. Painted and fixed up the knobs. The lamp's finished. And another coat of white paint. You notice I'm too lazy to put out some plastic and I just used sheets of paper to protect the floor, but it worked. Finishing up the window. Now for the closet. I purchased some kits online, put them together with construction glue, and I used construction glue again to add them to the closet after they were level and even. And then I also used screws. Then I used paneling along the sides. I did make 2 rows of hang-up bars and shelving. And then I added trim to give it that built-in look. During COVID, only brown shelving was available, so I used kilts to cover up the slippery surface. I caulked everything in.
I puttied everything so it was all smooth and looked like it was one piece. And then trim in front of the shelves, so it looked like a really nice piece. But it was wood I just had left over from other things. So basically, free. I like free. Then I added a layer of kilts to the brown. And no, they are not paying me. They could, but they're not. This is the second layer of kilts. It was just really slippery. You might want to just buy these in white if they're available, but they weren't. It took one more coat of paint. I painted the trim on the mirror door for the closet. So much better. Painted the trim again. Put together 2 nightstands that we ordered online. They were made for a bathroom, but I wanted to use them in the master bedroom because the bed's a little high. Remember how we started? Now it's fresh, light. What a difference. The kittens have grown. They're so cute and spoiled.
She figured it out. She knows if she waits at the one hole. Dang, she's smart.
We had to get one cute shot. Matt Morris took those off for us. Okay. I don't know how everybody else's Saturday is going, but I'm waiting for Santa here. This is amazing. And if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe.